Welcome to Mimi's house and come on in. My grandchildren are visiting in this video and doing fun stuff with Mimi, decorating their very own Christmas tree. These guys are going to help me put up the most important Christmas tree of all, and that is this children's tree here. And I purchased the nativity scene so that we would have a tree that showed the reason for the season. We've already put those stickers on the tree, and the kids are going to help to put the rest of the decorations on this tree.